This tutorial review will show you how to install and use TOR browser on laptop and computer. What is TOR browser? TOR is a volunteer-run service that provides both privacy and anonymity online by masking who you are and where you are connecting. The service also protects you from the TOR network itself. You can have good assurance that you will remain anonymous to other TOR users. For people who might need occasional anonymity and privacy when accessing websites, TOR browser provides a quick and easy way to use the TOR network. The TOR browser works just like a regular web browser. Web browsers are programs you use to view websites. Examples include Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Unlike other browsers, the TOR browser sends your communication through TOR, making it harder for people who are monitoring you to know exactly what you are doing online, and harder for people monitoring the sites you use to know where you are connecting from. Getting TOR browser. Open a browser like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Microsoft Edge and go to this URL torproject.org/download, and you will get this link in this video description below. And now you can download TOR browser according to your device. Right now I'm using Windows PC, so I'm going to clicking on download for Windows. And as you can see, the TOR browser is downloading and it may take some time to finish the downloading process. TOR installer downloaded. It's time to install. So double click on the exe file. Click on run. Select your language and you can change the destination folder from here and click on install. And click on finish. And as we can see, my TOR browser has been successfully installed and opened. Using TOR browser. The first time TOR browser starts, you will get a window that allows you to modify some settings if necessary. You might have to come back and change some configuration settings. But go ahead and try to connect to the TOR network by clicking the connect button. You can always connect automatically by checking this box and click on connect. The first time TOR browser starts, it might take a long time, but be patient. Within a minute or two, TOR browser will open and congratulate you. Click on the globe in the top left corner to review a tutorial on how TOR works. And you are now ready to browse the internet anonymously with the TOR browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.